Hello everyone, my name is Nurhaliza and today I'm going to talk about how technology supports the process of learning languages. In this video, I'll explain two stages of computer-assisted language learning, discuss its advantages and disadvantages, introduce some new vocabularies related to technology, and finally show you how we can use a digital tool to make our learning more fun and interactive. So let's get started. Computer-assisted language learning, or CALL, refers to using computers and technology to support language learning. CALL has gone through three main stages. First, behavioristic CALL, 1970s until 1980s. This stage focused on repetition and drills. Learners practice grammar and vocabulary using computer programs that provide instant feedbacks. For the example, programs like Plato or drill-based exercises that ask students to fill in blanks or choose correct verb forms. And the second is the communicative CALL, 1980s until 1990s. In this stage, the focus shifted to communication and context rather than mere repetition. The computer became a stimulus for authentic language use, not just a tutor. For the example, like learners use email exchange and then interactive games or story-based activity to communicate meaningfully. And the last, integrative CALL, 1990s until present. This modern stage integrates multimedia and the internet to create more interactive and authentic experiences. It combines listening, speaking, reading, and writing through real-life tasks. For the example, like using Duolingo and then Zoom classes and language learning website or AI chatbots for real-time communication. And then the other I think Kate. So in short, CALL has evolved from mechanical drills to meaningful communication and now to full integration of technology into the learning process. Advantages of using technology in language learning. First, interactive learning. Technology allows learners to engage with videos, audio, games, and quizzes, which make learning more interesting. And the second is accessibility. A student can learn anytime and anywhere with just with smartphone or laptop. And the third, personalized learning. Application can adapt to its learning level and pace. And then fourth, instant feedback. Many programs correct mistakes immediately and helping learners improve faster. And then the disadvantages. The first, of course, technical issues. The internet problems or software errors can interrupt learning. And then the second is distraction. The student might get distracted by social media or non-academic websites. And the third, lack of human interaction. Over-reliance on application can reduce real communication with teachers or peers. And the fourth, digital divide. Not all learners have equal access to devices or a stable internet connection. Therefore, while technology makes learning easier and more enjoyable, we still need balance and guidance from teachers. And for the question 3, I found 7 new words related to technology and their meanings. First, algorithm. Algorithm is a set of rules or instructions that computers follow to solve problems or perform tasks. And the second is artificial intelligence, of course, aka AI, the ability of computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like learning or decision making. And the third, gamification, is the use of game elements like points and then badges or levels to make learning more engaging. And the fourth, virtual reality or VR, a computer-generated environment that allows users to experience and interact with 3D worlds. And the fifth, cloud storage, of course, a server that allows data to be saved and accessed online instead of on a personal computer. And the sixth, user interface or UI, the design of how users interact with an app or website. And the last, e-learning, learning conducted via electronic media, typically on the internet. These terms are now commonly used in modern education and help us understand how technology works behind our learning platforms. Now let's move to question number 4. Imagine that I am a teacher who wants to make learning materials more interesting and suitable for elementary school students. For this purpose, I will use Kahoot, a fun and interactive online quiz platform that can make students more active in learning. The topic I choose for this learning activity is descriptive text, especially about describing animals. This topic helps students learn how to describe animals using simple adjectives like big, small, fast, slow, furry, or cute. For example, students can say, a rabbit is small and has long ears, or an elephant is big and has a long trunk. Before starting the class, I will prepare my Kahoot quiz on my laptop by visiting kahoot.com and creating a set of multiple choice questions with colorful pictures of animals. Then I will connect my laptop to a projector so that all students can see the quiz clearly on the screens. Because my students are elementary school children and they are not allowed to bring their phones, I will lead the activity from my laptop. Of course, the student will answer the questions together as a class or in small groups. For the example, after each question appears on the projector, I will give them a few seconds to discuss and then raise their hands or show a card with the answer letter E, B, C, or D. For example, one question may show a picture of cat and I ask, what animal is this? A duck, B cat, C rabbit, and D bird. The student will respond together and I will click the correct answer on my laptop. Kahoot will immediately show whether the answer is correct and display some cheerful music and points. This makes the class atmosphere lively and fun, of course. After the quiz, I will ask the students what they have learned today. I can ask them to make their own short sentences describing their favorite animals, such as my cat is a white and fluffy, or a tiger is strong and fast. This reflection helps them to use new vocabulary in real sentences. Using Kahoot as a teaching tool in elementary school is very effective to keep students motivated and focused. Even though they don't use individual devices, the whole class can still participate actively by watching the quiz through the projector and answering together. This method makes learning more interactive, joyful, and suitable for young learners. Last but not least, technology has transformed language learning from simple drills to interactive, personal experiences. It offers great advantages like accessibility and engagement, but also brings challenges like distraction and inequality. As teachers, we can maximize its benefit by combining creativity and pedagogy and digital tools like Kahoot to make our classes both educational and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you understand more about computer-assisted learning, language learning, and inspires you to use technology effectively in your learning journey. See you when I see you.